Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to delete your gender on Instagram using a PC. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to manage your profile information, including your gender identity. Let's dive right in. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the More icon located in the left side menu. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal more options. From there, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, navigate to Edit Profile. Here, you'll find all your personal information that you can modify. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Gender. In this section, click on the drop-down menu next to Gender. You'll see several options available to choose from. To remove your gender from your profile, simply select Prefer Not to Say. This option allows you to keep your profile inclusive and private regarding gender identity. Finally, don't forget to click Submit at the bottom of the page to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your gender from your Instagram profile. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage how much information you share about yourself on social media. Remember, Instagram is all about expressing yourself in a way that feels comfortable for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your social media accounts effectively. See you next time.